This is the Lexon in and out alarm clock featured in the Wall Street Journal. I'm going to show you how to set the alarm and the different features. To remove the box, lift the sticker, pull the box open, remove the two AAA batteries. It comes in the clock. Pull out the alarm clock from the box. Push down the alarm before removing the bubble. Pull the bubble off, discard the bubble. Then I'm going to show you on the bottom of the clock is how to input the batteries. Flip the clock upside down, and on the back of the clock there's the battery compartment. There is a lid. You pull the lid open by pushing this down. You're going to get your AAA battery, negative side towards the spring. The reverse battery goes the same way, negative side towards the spring. Once it's in, it has a beep, that beeping sound that shows you that the alarm the batteries are functioning. You replace your cap back, it should clip in, and that's set. The product comes with a plastic protective film. You remove the film from the piece and discard it. Now you're going to set the clock. To set the clock, you have a button at the bottom. You press that button, and as you press it, the 24-hour clock appears. If you choose to have 24-hour or 12-hour, you simply change that by pressing either the plus or the minus on the back. When you press the plus sign, it'll go to 12-hour mode. If you want to put it back to 24-hour mode, you press the clock. Once you are done and want to return it to 12-hour mode, you press it again, takes it to 12-hour mode. You press the set button, and that locks the clock in 12-hour mode. Now to set the hour, you go to the back of the clock, there's a plus and minus. You press the plus sign, and that moves the time forward. If you go past the time, you can press the minus button, and that takes the hours backwards. Once you reach the PM, there is a PM on the lower corner that indicates whether it's AM or PM. Once you're in an AM mode, you will see that the PM disappears. To set the minutes now, if your time is set, the hours are set, you press the set button again, and now the minutes starts to flash. You press the minus to go in the backwards direction, or you press plus to move forward. Once you've reached the time that you choose to set it at, you go ahead and press again the button, and that sets the time. Now your clock time is set. To set the alarm, you simply press on the top part, and that is your alarm mode. Right now the alarm is set at 12 o'clock. There are two small buttons on the back of the alarm clock, and the two same large buttons that you use to set the regular time. The small buttons on the back, these two buttons, sets the minutes on the alarm. So if you see there, you want to set the minutes, you press the plus, or you press the minus, and that sets the minutes for the alarm. To set the hour on the alarm, you now press the large buttons on the back. You simply press the plus, and then you press the minus to go backwards. Once the time is set, and you have your alarm set, in this case, it's 12:01, you press button down, and now it's set. The light goes on once the time is set. To set the time again, or the alarm again, you can press the minutes again forward, and now it shows that the alarm is now set for 12:03, and you leave it set like this. In minus mode, you want to reduce the time, you put it back to 12:02, you press the button, and now it's set. The alarm will go off here in a couple of seconds, and you'll see how the alarm is set off once the alarm takes off. Basically, what you're going to have here is the alarm will be going off, and either you can choose to have a snooze mode by pressing softly on this piece on the top of the alarm, and then that will set it as a 5-minute snooze. If you choose not to have snooze, you will press this completely down and that will turn the alarm off. The alarm will sound like this for 3 minutes. It will get progressively louder and quicker, the beeping noise, as the time goes off. If you do nothing, the alarm will continue to sound for 3 minutes. In this case, we're going to go ahead and push it down to turn it off. Now the alarm is off and the time is set. Now, in the evenings, while the sun is down or you're in your bedroom or wherever you need to see the clock with better lighting, all you do is touch the snooze light on the top part of the light. You're just going to touch it right there and the light goes on. The light stays on for a couple of seconds and then it goes off. Again, it goes on, a couple of seconds and it goes off. The light does not stay on. Well, many people are sensitive to light, and therefore this is a clock that does not have the light on permanently. That's your Lexon in and out clock. We hope you enjoy it. Thank you.